It's Thursday. It's time for another veggie unboxing. Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Seasonal Intuition. This channel is about food and cooking. The goal of the channel is to help you improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh. We have the first sweet strawberries of the season. Pretty exciting. What else do we have? We've got a beautiful romaine lettuce. This is very bountiful. And we have fabulous rainbow chard. And what else do we have in here? Oh my gosh, we've got oranges. They look very scrumptious. And we have broccoli, our favorite broccoli vegetable. And we have beautiful radishes. I don't think we've had radishes recently. We're gonna put them over here. What do we have in here? Oh my gosh, we have our first sweet peas. I think they're sweet peas. If someone knows what they are, let me know if I'm not right.
Is it possible they're sour peas?
No, it's not possible. It's only sweet peas. We accept only sweet peas in March. Let's put them over here because they're
What time of year are sour peas?
Pardon?
What time of year are sour peas? November?
Maybe. I never thought about that. What else do we have in here? Oh, we've got little lovely Nantes carrots. Oh, they're so pretty and tiny. They're probably very sweet and delicious. Oh, and we've got yams and more yams. Oh, before I get to the yams, what else do I have in here? Oh, we've got mandarins. Oh my gosh. And we've got yams, more yams. Uh-oh. Almost lost the yams. And we've got yams. What a bountiful Thursday in March.
Okay. It's been an interesting month. Crude oil prices are up, so I want you to think not about crude oil, but about cooking oil. And I want you to rank these in order from amount of oil needed to make a tasty recipe. Least oil on your left, most oil on your right.
That is very clever. That was not expected. Oh, this complicates things.
So we're thinking about cooking oil, not crude oil right now.
I hear you.
So I want to be clear here. You think that the oranges and the mandarins are going to use the most amount of oil?
No, this is my pile of the most amount of oil.
On your left is the least amount of oil. On your right is the most amount of oil.
I'm not very good at listening to instructions today. Okay, thanks for clarifying. Okay, I have my pile ready.
All right, you need to shift your pile to the right because the left mouse is off camera.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, 5 seconds apiece. Tell me what the oil would be that would go with each one in order. Left to right. Left to right.
Left to right. No oil. Olive oil. Olive oil. Coconut oil.
Wait. What are you doing with this oil? What is the oil in the oranges doing? Are you just like peeling the oranges and then you have like wedges of oranges and you dip it in oil?
Let me redo this exercise. Okay. No oil, no oil, no oil. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of olive oil.
What are you doing? What are you making? What are you doing with it? Are you dipping it in oil and eating it raw?
With a little bit of salt.
So oil and salt
But
as a raw appetizer?
It's a raw appetizer. It's very tasty.
Okay.
Olive salad needs some olive oil. It needs
So
dressing.
you're making salad and the oil's the dressing?
Correct.
Okay.
These can be steamed, but they're really tasty fried for a little bit.
So you're going to fry this in what kind of oil? The peas?
Coconut oil.
So sweet peas fried in coconut oil?
Sweet peas and coconut oil.
Okay.
The carrots need butter. Does butter count
Butter
as an
counts.
oil?
I'll give you butter for oil.
And then our broccoli and our yams and our chard is our worst offenders. Our chard is, I'll start with the broccoli, coconut oil, and then coconut oil for the yams is really delicious.
Right. Are you just frying these? What are you doing?
These could be boiled and then you can mash them or you can fry them and they're like super delicious. And the broccoli you can steam and just add a tiny little drizzle of coconut oil and it just adds a punch and flavor to it. Or you can stir fry it in coconut oil if you are generous with your coconut oil. And the chard is fantastic if it's cut up in small pieces with some garlic and some coconut oil and rice vinegar.
So what I'm hearing is you need a lot of coconut oil.
Yes. At the moment, it's coconut oil.
Okay. Well, lucky for you, we have 2 jars of coconut oil.
We are ready to get our coconut oil on.
All right. Last challenge. Veggie of the week. What is it? Veggie or fruit of the week.
We have not gotten these sweet peas. I think they'll be delicious. This is our veggie of the week.
All right. Veggie of the week. You heard it here first. Anything else you want to say?
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today.